Our mission at Valley Professionals is to ensure that everyone has access to a quality and affordable healthcare regardless of the patient's ability to pay. Our comprehensive, integrated care model creates extensive access to a wide variety of services that is normally more difficult to receive in rural communities. As your medical home, our care team works together to focus on the whole person wellness, and we tailor treatment to each patient's unique needs from before they're born through the golden years.
At Valley Professionals, patient care is our top priority. Our integrated care model creates streamlined access to several services that treat the whole person. Patient care coordinators work with providers across all service lines to concentrate on whole person wellness, improving overall health and decreasing the risk of complications. Patient care coordinators are health educators who help patients with nutritional counseling or manage chronic diseases. Care coordinators are registered nurses who work with patients and providers to create a care plan that works best for the patient and their lifestyle. Part of treating the whole person includes oral health care. Dental services are more than maintaining a healthy smile, but also focusing on disease prevention and education, with the goal of limiting future restorative needs. Our dental team works with patients to help reinforce good habits and keep patients informed on how to improve their overall health.
"45 people a day die from prescription opioid abuse." Chiropractors focus on treatments without using medications, where before patients have been masking it. We look at the structure and how it functions and how we can implement certain procedures to help reduce the stresses on the body. Many patients have found first-time relief with chiropractic, where originally they had just covered it up using painkillers. Our primary focus has always been musculoskeletal complaints. However, with an integrative approach here at Valley Professionals, it allows us to have a collaborative effort with the behavioral health specialist. While the patient's being counseled and treated for stress, anxiety, and addiction, that very often turns into physical complaints such as tight muscles and even physical pain. That's where we come in.
At Valley Professionals, we provide behavioral health integration. So what's unique about us with that? We are able to offer a team approach to an individual that may be having a behavioral health challenge. We work together with their primary care provider and other team members of Valley Professionals to help them really address their needs and wants for treatment. We don't just look at the mental health part. We look at the whole person to address their wellness. We are a wellness team and we treat the person as an individual. It's not a standardized program. We will work at adding what services are necessary. If an individual is struggling with addiction, we have a Valley Professionals addiction program, and we can also offer medication-assisted treatment to help that individual with their recovery needs so that maybe we can take some of the challenges away with some of those withdrawals that they might be experiencing as they work through their addiction. But in general, it's overall mental health. We're going to meet an individual where they are, and we're going to work as a team to help them meet their whole health goals. We're an integrative team, and we use each other and we work with each other because we recognize that not everyone knows everything. And so the team approach to care with us at Valley Professionals, we feel like really offers our patients an opportunity to have not just one person, but a team to really help them meet their goals, their whole health goals, and not have to do it alone.
The resources available to pregnant patients obviously are our medical team, but also our integrated services including behavioral health, community health workers or social workers, our tobacco cessation program, and our imaging services. We have multiple different team members that all come together to provide the entire pregnancy's worth of care. By offering integrated care, we're able to anticipate some of the issues that families can have as we're moving through pregnancy or moving through early childhood, things like that, that we can potentially prevent worry, misunderstanding, potentially even prevent illness, provide more education, both to parents, or provide early education opportunities for kids, and prevent issues that may not be anticipated in an environment where we don't have all the pieces at once. Pregnancy and Family Services at Valley Professionals is helpful in that we have everything in the same place. You've got your medical team who has cared for you possibly before pregnancy, through pregnancy, and then after pregnancy. We also can care for the rest of the family, such as older siblings, mom and dad, grandparents even. And so in having this completeness, we can integrate the care of any of those family members without having to ask multiple background questions every time, without having to clarify a social situation. And sometimes we can anticipate issues that may happen just because we know the entire social situation.